and Miss Pam here today to help you with a recipe for banana muffins. We love banana muffins, right, Evelyn? So come bake with us. Make sure you've got your apron on so you protect your clothing and your hands are all clean. Now we're going to start with the flour. Evelyn, would you like to pour in the bin? Now this is 1 cup of flour, okay? 1 cup of flour. And this is our oil. It is 1/3 of a cup of oil. You want to pour that in, Evelyn?
All of it?
Yeah. Okay. I didn't have any more olive oil, so I'm using coconut oil. But you can pretty much substitute any kind of oil you have in the kitchen. Next, we're going to put in the sugar. So this is 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Yeah, it's going to be sugary. 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Okay, we're going to put some oats, Evelyn.
That's oats.
This is 1/2 cup of oats.
All of it.
All of it. Thank you. Well, this is going to be a good recipe. And then we've got our egg. Okay, I already cracked the egg and put it in a little cup here. So everyone can pour that egg in.
All of it.
All of it, right. Thank you, Evelyn.
We're going to store.
So now we're going to, first we're going to put the bananas in. So I'm going to move this to the side. I've taken my bananas and I've cut the ends off and made a little bit of a slit so it's easier to peel. So do you want to peel that one, Evelyn?
Okay.
Get the peels off. There we go.
Put it in.
And put it in. No peels though, just banana.
Only banana.
Right. Now when Evelyn's got that banana in, but you know what? Bananas that are a little bit brown are just fine for making muffins with. They actually taste a little sweeter. So I'm going to ask Evelyn to mash this all up. Can you do it, Ev?
Yes.
Mash with that masher. Yeah, you've got to mash those bananas. Ooh, doesn't it smell nice? Okay.
Yep.
Great. Right. It's fun to mash, isn't it? She's mashing that flour up with the banana. Okay, now I'm going to take a little turn and just get a little bit more of the mashing in. Okay, can you wait, please? You can do that next. So once you've got your banana all mashed up, you can put your masher to the side. And Evelyn, I'm just going to teach you a way of stirring like this, and it's called folding. See, you take the ingredients around the bowl and you fold them in towards the middle. Folding in. Can you take that, Evelyn? Evelyn's going to stir that up for me. Try to keep everything in the bowl. You don't want a big disaster in the kitchen, right, Evelyn? I'm actually going to mash a little bit more while you stir. You can keep stirring.
Wow.
Get some of that banana a little more mashed up. Mash. Smash. There we go. Okay, can I give it another little stir, Evelyn? I'm going to switch sides with you and give you the cupcake tins. Now, we prepared our tins with little cups. We've got white, pink, and yellow. Or you can just sprinkle a little bit of flour in the bottom of your cups. So you want to make sure all of your wet and your dry ingredients are mixed all together. You don't want to have anything.
I want to sprinkle sugar at the bottom.
Sugar at the bottom. No, we have sugar inside our recipe already. So when you eat them,
I want to put flour in at the bottom.
well, we got muffin cups, so we don't need the flour. Okay, Evelyn, are you watching? You're going to take a scoop and you're going to plunk it right into the cup like that. See? Okay, Evelyn, let's see you do it.
And do the pink.
Sure, do the pink. Plunk it in right there. Plunk. Good job. Ooh, it's so thick, it's taking a while to slide down. Good. Okay, keep filling them up. We've got a lot of them to fill. Yeah, in there. This is great hand-eye coordination for little ones. Yeah, patience, right, Evelyn? Good. All the way over there. That's okay. That'll just bake up and then or we can wipe it off. Okay, get a big scoop all the way over there in that muffin tin. Okay, so while Evelyn continues to fill those up, when you're done filling up all your cups, you make sure you have some oven mitts. That's okay, I can wipe that off after. Okay, you're gonna have your adult help you put them in the oven. We're gonna bake them for about 25 minutes. Okay? There we go. Maybe this one, yeah, that one's good. And some of them might need a little bit of a top up. So make sure when you are done that you're gonna clean up your area. I know that you all know how to wipe a table, you know how to wash dishes, and we even did some sweeping and mopping lessons last week. So you should be able to clean up your whole area and be a good helper. Right, Evelyn?
There's a little bit more there.
Okay. Okay, so enjoy your muffin baking. I'm gonna leave you here while we keep filling our cups, and let me know how your muffins taste.